Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix quiet mode on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections. You're gonna find the home section, search, reels, and lastly, right here, you're gonna find your profile section. So basically, guys, the first thing that you need to do is go to your profile section. And then once you do that, go ahead and click on the icon in the top right corner. Once you do that, right here, you're going to find all of the settings related to your Instagram account. So here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the account center. And under it, you're going to find how you use Instagram. Under how you use Instagram, you're going to find saved, your saved posts, archive, your activity, notifications, and lastly, time spent. So right now, go ahead and click on notifications. And then once you click on notifications, you're going to find all of the notification settings. Right here, you're going to find push notifications, pause all, and right under it, you're going to find quiet mode. This automatically mute notifications at night or whenever you need to focus. So right now, go ahead and click on quiet mode. And if you find it enabled, go ahead and disable it. So right now, as you can see, guys, they're going to ask you if you want to skip quiet mode. Instead, you can skip quiet mode for now to receive notifications until uh, 11 p.m. You can also turn it off entirely. So if you want to skip it for only one night, you can just click on skip for now. And if you want to turn it off, definitely click on turn off quiet mode. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.